Okay, let's go. I'm so excited. Here she is in all her glory. She's so cute. This is the 1-inch titanium plate main squeeze flat iron. Comes with a swivel cord. As a hairstylist, this is so important. I love swivel cords. Nothing makes me so frustrated than trying to fight with cords when I'm doing hair. And nobody got time to deal with cords when we're doing hair. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Buttons are in the inside right here. I'm going to turn it on. Lowest you can go is 330. So the highest it will go is 420. Never put your hot tools on 420. I've got one now. You can put this directly on your countertop. So when you're not working, you can just put it directly on top. Teach you how to curl, wave, and straighten your hair with a flat iron. I know some of them seem pretty basic, but there's a lot of people who don't understand, and I want you to understand so you can do it at home. So let's go. Take a piece of hair. You don't want to take a section bigger than your iron. Okay, next up we're going to show you how to curl your hair with a flat iron. So you're going to take that piece of section, you're going to take the flat iron, clamp it, and you're going to do a full 360. Then you're going to pull, making sure the ends are coming through, and you're going to pull all the way down. Look at it! So cute. So we're going to start at the root, clamp down, and have good pressure and pull all the way down. Okay, next up we're going to show you how to curl your hair with a flat iron. That piece of section, you're going to take the flat iron, clamp it, and you're going to do a full 360. Then you're going to pull, making sure the ends are coming through, and you're going to pull all the way down. That curl that we just did, pretty bouncy, I'm not gonna lie. Different piece of hair, how we're gonna wait. You kind of just clamp it and bend it back and forth. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye!